172332 there with a service bound from Birmingham New Street from Hereford, passing by at Barnt Green on the XCITY line that goes towards Barnt Green and the Lickey Line that goes towards Bromsgrove. We will see services from cross country, West Midlands Railway, hopefully some freight as well. As I was getting myself set up, obviously I had two 350s departing, service from Redditch to Four Oaks, 323, 202 and 207, 323, 205 and I can't remember who was on the front brought me in. And we also had a cross-country Turbo Star, 17622 from from Nottingham to Cardiff, passing by as well. So yeah, let's see what shall turn up. Okay, so now approaching is the 1454 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield, Trent Valley. Worked by 2323s. Anne has just announced it to confirm it. Okay, so leading him in is 323208, and wait until he departs and I'll get the rear. And I believe I just got away from the driver there as well. If it did, hello to you, sir. Okay, so 323208 is now getting ready to lead away the 1454 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield, Trent Valley. Weren't a very long stop. Wasn't here for very long at all. No, 323218 on the rear. Okay, if the camera decides to focus itself just for now, that doesn't matter. Yeah, now approaching is going to be, I assume it's two Class 323s for West Midlands Railway. They're passing by with a service from Lichfield, Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. You've already told us to. So it's 323240. With 203 on the rear, 240 with a little bit of graffiti on it. And yes, I am exaggerating by saying a little bit, before you ask. Stupid vandals. Okay, and our next trans pass by is going to be a West Midlands Railway Class 172 from Birmingham New Street to Hereford. I'm surprised I haven't got Turbo Stars running this, but I'm not going to complain with the 172s. You've already told us to stand back, Anne. Jesus. 172335. Okay, so now arriving is going to be going over on to platform 4. It's the 1513 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch. I might as well just move over to this fence. You've also got the 1513 service to Four Oaks from Redditch approaching as well, I think.
Redditch. This train has 6 carriages.
Oh, not even that tall. Yeah, and there's something coming behind me as well. Three two three 217 is on the front of this. Look behind me, we have the other 323, the 124 Oaks. Three two three 212 is on the rear of this. 323 205 is leading the Four Oaks train. If you didn't hear me, it's 323 212 on the rear of this. 323 205 is going to be leading the Four Oaks train. Okay, it looks like 205 and whoever it is on the rear are now off with the Four Oaks service. The driver adjusts his blind. And I think 217 and 212 are now departing as well. Oh, getting ready to depart.
Very close from there, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't know whether or not that's single line. Beyond here is a single line. Three two three 204 is on the rear of that. I shall move over here. Film it from here, actually. As the camera's gone out of focus. Oh, it's gone back into focus. Well done. Okay, so now about to pass by. I presume it's going to be the return of 323, 203 and 240. Or is it too early? These are from Bromsgrove to Lichfield Trent Valley.
Oh, there you go.
I assume this is the return of the name too anyway. Yes! Going over the points, lovely there. That's very nice.
Where's he going to?
Okay, so now about to pass by is going to be a late running cross-country Super Voyager service, 22132, from Newcastle to Penzance. I know. He's going into Wales to come back out and everything. He's going via the likes of Newport. I know. Bit of wind from that. Jesus Christ. I mean, those people were standing there before we went past. Okay, so now approaching is going to be a dual pairing of West Midlands Railway Class 323s. They're working the now late running 1530 West Midlands Railway service to Bromsgrove from Lichfield Trent Valley. Three two three 220 leads in. 323241 is on the rear. Okay, so they're now off. That sounds like the Grand Prix. Okay, so our next train, 2 trains pass by. Well, it kind of is 2 trains. Well, it's really just 1 train, but 2 trains join up together. It's 220, 014 and 028 with cross-country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. Ugh, what's that? I hope it is paper. It looks like chewing gum. If it was, it stuck to it, to be fair.
With that going over the paint.
Yeah, and now I'm going to move over here where we will see the 1540 something. So, West Midlands Railway service to Four Oaks from Bromsgrove. Pulling in. You can hear him on the points, the flange. I'm going to get my phone out, just so I can remember. Yes! 2-0 Cardiff. Yes. Oh, absolutely brilliant. Don't worry, Blues, you'll go down next year. I say that every year. This is the 1543 service. Obviously, 323, 212 and 217 on their return from Redditch. One that I seen approximately 10 minutes ago. Not 10 minutes ago, probably about 20 minutes ago, probably. There you go. Okay, so now arriving is now going to be the 1544 West Midlands Railway service to Redditch from Four Oaks. Works by 2 323s, as if it would be anything else. They'd only put something else on there if there's overhead line problems, and that something else would probably just be turbo stars or something. 323206 is on the front, I believe. No, the doors are still open. Three two three 209 is on the rear of this. I'll carry on recording as it looks like 212 and 217 are also getting ready to depart. The doors have closed. Come on, what are you waiting for? That was probably the quickest stop I've ever witnessed in my life. You know what, guys? You rewind until the point where he stopped and then count the seconds. You count the time, please. And then you can tell me down in the comments how long that was. Well, I think I'll know how long it is, but you know. How much did you count? Are you going to move anytime today, 212? Yes, you are. Here he comes. No way, we have to wear face masks. That was just cruel to my ears. And I beg you headphone users, and I should have warned you about this at the start, I think you should unplug your headphones or turn the volume down to 0. And you probably still go deaf then, because that was just loud. That's the joys of trains. Okay, so now approaching is the 1557 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield Trent Valley. Works by 2 323s. I know they're the return of the ones that we previously saw going to Bromsgrove, but I forget the numbers of them now, so I'm going to have to refresh my memory as well as yours.
See you, mate.
See ya. Okay, so it's 323241 in the front. I've kind of got an idea of who's on the rear now, but yeah, it's still evading me. Yeah, most of them have remembered the number off really well, but I don't know. Okay, so now departing is going to be 323241 and whoever it is on the rear with the Lichfield service from Bromsgrove, the 1557. On the rear is 323220. It was that. Well, that's one of the simple numbers I should remember. 323220. I know, tongue twister.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, and our next train to pass by is going to be a Lichfield to Bromsgrove 323 for West Midlands Railway. It wouldn't be for anyone else. I mean, I know Northern have them, but yeah, they don't run around here. You've already said that. And that. And that. 216 on the front. (242) on the rear. Okay, so about to pass by now is going to be a Class 172 for West Midlands Railway. From Birmingham New Street to Hereford. And if I look behind me, no, there's supposed to be another one as well. Doing a return journey. You've said that. Yeah, you've said that. (172-332) is working that one, and it's a Turbo Star that is going to be working the Hereford to Birmingham.
Strawberry, eh?
This is going to be a
Yeah.
Did he sound the horn there? Did he sound the horn, did he?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you. Okay, and it's a Turbo Star that's going to be working this one. To Birmingham. This will be our final train as well. I know, sad times. 172-505 on the front. 170-509 on the rear. And as he heads off to Birmingham, and as the 172 has rounded the bend towards Bromsgrove on his journey to Hereford, I'm concluding everything there. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, leave a comment, And if you dislike, please tell me right now how I can improve. Yeah, this has been a nice enough stay here. I think the longest I waited for a train was 10 minutes. The longest wait for between trains was 10 minutes. It's a busy enough station for a Saturday. I'd have to come down here on a weekday just to see how busy it can actually get, like rush hour or something. Yeah, I'd have to come down here in rush hour or something just to see how busy this station can actually get. I doubt it will be any busier than it was today, but you know, it's been a pretty decent stay here. I say pretty decent. It's been a very good stay here, and I do actually recommend this station to you guys that, you know, haven't been here before. Yeah. Anyway, my next station. Where will I go? I mean, you guys can let me know down in the comments where you'd like me to go, because I don't actually know. I think Nuneaton? No, not Nuneaton. I think that might be a bit too busy, because I want to try and do some more, like, before Whitsun, like, in the holiday, like, weekends and all that. Which stations are good for weekends? I know Nuneaton is. What station is good for a weekend? Could I go to Stafford? Could I go to Crewe? Where will I go? No. I was going to say Cheltenham Spa, but obviously I'll get the train everywhere. And I think that might be a little bit too much of this. I tell you what, Tamworth will be my next station. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Tamworth. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that, and I will see you at Tamworth. I'm not confirming Tamworth, by the way, but you know, you have to wait and see. Okay? Yeah. Thanks for watching and goodbye.